Do you want to make a New Year's resolution that you can actually accomplish, one that has true meaning in your life? You are not alone. I'm going to show you how to create a New Year's resolution that actually sticks. Be sure to watch this video until the end when I give you one important caveat. Let's go. There's only one step with three parts. Here's the one step. Create a goal. And here, a goal is an acronym for Go Out and Live. GOAL, go out and live. Part one, make it something that is natural in your life. For example, I like to work out. I typically work out 4 days a week, but my goal could be 5 days a week. So in that case, it's a natural extension of what I already do. Part two is an extension of that. Notice I made it one extra day. So part two is to make it small and achievable. You want to stretch a little bit, not too much. And part three, make yourself accountable to someone else. Tell someone you respect and who is dependable, and give them the authority to check on you and push you if you fall behind. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Now here's the caveat. You can do something totally different, such as learn a new language that is not a natural extension of your life already. In that case, your acronym will be the same, GOAL, but it stands for go out and learn. Everything else, all the same. All right, folks, that's it for now. Make your New Year's resolution one that sticks. Peace.